Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have both files open. Now choose the Excel range to use and make sure it's formatted. Select the cells, copy them, and switch to Word. Once done, place your cursor where the table should go. If you want a live connection, prepare to use Paste Special with a link. If you need a static copy, prepare to paste normally. Make sure Excel calculations are final so linked content reflects the correct values. Now perform Paste Special. In Word, choose Home, Paste Special. Pick Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object and select Paste Link if you need updates from Excel, otherwise choose Paste. This creates an embedded object or a linked object depending on your choice. Once inserted, adjust the table size and text wrapping. If linked, double-clicking opens the source in Excel so edits sync. Make sure Paste options show the correct format, otherwise redo with the right object type to preserve formulas and formatting. Finish by saving both documents and testing the connection. Change a value in Excel, save, then switch to Word and update links if needed. If links break because of moved files, go to Word File, Info, edit links to files, and relink the source path. For complex layouts or slow performance, embed a static picture or link a smaller named range rather than an entire sheet. If formatting shifts, reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.